really miss anything. But the Strix line is very high in development, and they are introducing some really cool stuff here at CES. One of those things that we want to talk about is the Strix 7.1 channel surround sound headset. It's true 7.1 channel surround sound headset because there's actual speakers in the ear cup that represent the front, there's the center, there's the rear, and there's the bass port. All those are different drivers dedicated for driving that sound in that direction, and therefore it creates that very large sound stage and very good directionality for that environment. Of course, they did go with this very strange gamey look. You have this Strix eye through the side that you can turn off the LED for. It is of course illuminated, you won't be able to see it, but it's still kind of cool as an aesthetic. It's got updated foam padding that will adjust based on your head size. It's very kind of very robust feeling. It is lots of plastic in there. So it does come with a detachable microphone that is very flexible. It also has, we are told, great noise cancellation through the software, but it's very low profile microphone, not the gigantic thing that sticks out. But it also has removable ear cups, which one of the previous Strix headsets did not have, and we're not sure whether or not it will come with different ear pads, but they are removable, so this is good. Potentially we'll see that. But one of the coolest things is the actual bass that the headset connects to. So as you can see, it is a very advanced type of bass hub that we haven't seen before for headsets. I mean, there's some basses that come with USB headphones, but they're not, I mean, like, look at this thing. It's like a little spaceship in its own, but there's so much customizability that you have. First, you have this main dial that you adjust for volume. You can adjust per channel volume. You can adjust different spectrums, different frequencies that are built in for EQ. So you have gunfire, footsteps, racing, and some other strategy RPG gaming. So regardless of what game you're playing, you could switch that on little mode, and it will activate that frequency that has been sort of input for that particular game. You can enable 7.1 channel surround sound. Of course, you can also enable an amp, because this is a full-fledged sound card. You can adjust the volume of the microphone, and of course the speakers that you might want to plug in here. Through this hub, you also can turn off the LED that's on the headset. This is the headphone connector. It's not HDMI, although it does look like it, so it's sort of proprietary. It's not just standard USB, but this is a USB hub that connects directly to your computer, and very apparently sounds great. So this is the Strix 7.1 channel surround sound card for the Strix 7.1 channel true audio gaming headset.